Salam everyone and Eid Mubarak to all of you. Today we're making Aloo Bhaji with Pooris. This is actually a blend of potatoes and spices together. Do give this a must try and share with me. I'll post your experiences on the Instagram story. I'm posting this video on Eid, but definitely I recorded this a few days back. Now let's move towards our video. Ingredients are in the description box below as usual. We'll start off by taking a liter of water in a pot. Next we'll add in our potato cubes and some red chili powder, turmeric and salt. Leave it on medium flame so that the potatoes get softened. Till then, we'll prepare our dough. First, take some salt, baking powder and oil or ghee, mix it well and add in the milk, knead with water. Make sure that your dough is nice and soft. We'll rest our dough till the potato mixture gets prepared. When the water starts boiling, cover it and leave on low flame. When the potatoes are completely soft like we need, mash some of them so that we get a texture of Aloo Bhaji. Next, take another pan and add in some oil. When the oil gets hot enough, add in our remaining ingredients and stir fry for a while. Once you're done, add in the fried ingredients to our potato mixture. Add in lemon juice and leave on low flame for about 10 minutes, then turn off the flame. You can roll the pooris as you usually do using rolling pin. Unfortunately, my camera didn't record the part. This is how you'll fry them. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the black thumb blue. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care. Eid Mubarak.